Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to add sequential numbers in Excel. Have you ever needed to quickly create a numbered list in Excel? Instead of manually typing in each number, there are some really easy ways to do it automatically. In this video, we're going to cover several methods, from the simple drag and drop technique to using formulas. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. We're all about making Excel easier for you.
Okay, let's get started.
Method 1, the drag and drop method. This is probably the simplest and most common way. First, type 1 in the first cell, let's say A1. Then in the cell below, A2, type 2. Now, select both cells. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle down as far as you need your numbered list to go. And there you have it. Excel automatically recognizes the pattern and continues the sequence. Method 2, the fill series option. Sometimes, dragging the fill handle might not work perfectly, especially with more complex sequences. In that case, we can use the fill series option. Again, start by typing 1 in cell A1. This time, select the cell and go to the Home tab. In the Editing group, find the Fill drop-down. Click on it and select Series.
A dialog box will pop up.
Here, choose columns if you want your numbers to go down a column, or rows if you want them across a row. Set the step value to 1 for sequential numbering. In the stop value, enter the last number in your sequence. For example, if you want numbers from 1 to 100, enter 100. Click OK, and voila! Excel automatically fills the column or row with your sequence. Method 3, using the row function. This method is a bit more advanced but very useful, especially if you're deleting rows and want the numbering to automatically adjust. Type the following formula in cell A1, equals row. This formula returns the row number. However, if you want your list to start with 1 in cell A1, you'll need to adjust the formula. Change it to equals row A1 plus 1. Now, you can simply drag the fill handle down as far as you need. The great thing about this method is that if you delete a row, the numbers will automatically resequence themselves. Method 4, using the sequence function, Excel 365 only. If you're using Microsoft 365, you have access to the sequence function, which makes creating sequential numbers incredibly easy. In cell A1, type equals sequence, 100, replace 100 with the number of rows you want. This single formula will automatically generate a numbered list from 1 to 100. You can also customize the starting number and the increment, but for simple sequential numbers, this is all you need.
Astérisque astérisque conclusion astérisque astérisque.
So there you have it, 4 different ways to add sequential numbers in Excel. Whether you prefer the simplicity of drag and drop, the control of the fill series option, the dynamic nature of the row function, or the power of the sequence function, there's a method that's perfect for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.